Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a spring frog inspired by Squishmallows. So let's get started. To draw this cute frog, let's first start by drawing the Squishmallow shape. So I'm going to start right here, and it's narrower at the top, so I'm going to start with a big curve. I'm going to go over. So it's like drawing a mochi, but very tall mochi. So I'm going to go up and then go around and come down for the top. So now I have this a little bit sharper curve at the top. I'm going to start to bring it down. Bear with me here. It's a little bit messy. I'm drawing really big, so it's a little bit harder to draw these big curves. And now we're going to bring it down. And so as always, it's up to you how tall or short you want your Squishmallow to be. So we'll say about right here. I'm going to start to bring it in. And then towards the bottom, we're going to add a curve. It's going to be flattened up towards the bottom and connect it together. There. So it's a little bit thinner at the top. Then from there, let's go ahead and draw the eyes. So on the flatter side right here, I'm going to go ahead and just at this angle, I'm going to come up and just draw a very big curve. So kind of like drawing a dome shape right about here. And same thing on the other side. So about right here. And we're going to do the same thing. So at this angle now, so definitely turn your body or the paper if you need to. And down. There. So I have those two curves popping out. And then let's come inside, right in the center of it, we're going to draw a circle. So as big as I can, right in the center. Then I'm going to come inside and draw another circle. And then, let's see here, right about here, I'll add another small circle for a highlight and shade everything else in. There. Or maybe no highlight, we'll get rid of it. We'll follow the original. Okay, so same thing over here. There. Okay, so now I have my two frog eyes in. Make them a little bit rounder. Sorry. And same thing here. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and in the center area, we're going to draw two little dots. So I'm going to find my center, come down to say about right here. I'm going to go to the left a little bit and just come to the right and just put in these, two little ovals, I guess. Just darken it in. And then right underneath that, we're going to draw a smile. So curve, nice big curve right underneath. And cap it off. There. So now we have our frog, right? And then from there, let's come down. And the reason I'm drawing this this version of the Squishmallow frog is because of this bow. So I'm going to come right down to the center, about right here in this area. I just love this bow, red bow against the green. So I'm going to draw a circle, and then I'm going to pop out the loops of our bow, and same thing on the other side. And we're just going to draw a curve right here for the centers. And then we're going to just imagine this big curve going around for the tummy area. So I'm just going to start, let's say about right here. I'm going to drag this across to the other side. So we start at the same area, and let's go ahead. And I'm just going to curve my way down. And then I'm going to drag this point across, approximate, about right here. This is where I should end on the other side. And once again, nice big curve all the way back. There. And sorry, you know what? These eyes are bugging me. I think when I made the curve, it just looks too like a cylinder, right? So I need to like totally round this off. So I'm gonna have to go in here and do some erasing, but I should have made it a little bit rounder. Okay, maybe that's a little bit better. I'll come in here and go in there and erase. But before I do that, let's come and there's going to be some cheeks on the side, and if you want to color that in later. And then we're going to come right here. I'm just going to add a flower through the mouth. I thought it'd be really cute to add to make this more of a spring frog. So I'm going to bring this down, just a stem. And then about right here, I'm going to add curve, then connect it, and then we're going to draw, let's see here, maybe 5 petals. 1, 2, just want those in. So then make sure I get my petals in. Okay, and then the last thing I need to do is I'm going to add a heart right here in the center. To make this my Draw So Cute frog. And let me hurry up and come in here and fix this part first. Sorry, I should have made sure my whiteout pen works first. Okay. Okay, so we have our flower, and then I'm going to round this eye. Sorry about that. Sometimes it just doesn't come out right, and just make the change. No big deal, right? Okay, so hopefully that looks a little bit better. And same thing here. And sometimes when you get frustrated and it really doesn't work, no matter what you do, you just step away. You step away and you come back. And it's amazing when you come back, how much easier things are. Okay, there. So hopefully that looks a bit better. Now it's nice and round instead of like kind of like a cylinder. But that is pretty much it for this spring inspired frog. And once again, just add in some cheeks right here when you're coloring. But that is pretty much it. Thanks so much for watching. And if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.